What's going on, guys? We're at the shop. We're about to do my rear camber and toe arms. It should be fairly easy job. It's not like nothing crazy. It's all right there. You just gotta take 2 and 2 bolts out and just put it in, replace and tighten and all that. So everything should go pretty smooth, but with my car, you know, I think we got the hardest part out the last time though, with the whole heating up the bolt and that shit was stuck. So I think we got the hard part out. But yeah, I got the SPC adjustable camber arms. It's just about keep on, improving the car and making it feel better because the rear is kind of shaky, got some issues. So after I do my rear, the camber arms, I'm about to put on the tires, get them balanced and get the alignment finished because I only did the front and the rear was I just upgraded. Guys, I got, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna see how well I could clean this up. Probably have to sand it and whatnot. But I wanna like paint it and do my engine bay kind of nice too because I haven't really touched anything in there. The differences, I'm assuming these are both the same because they look the same. I know, I just don't want to confuse myself because our arms are really similar in the rear. It was kind of confusing at first to understand which bolt I needed and all that. Alright, we're getting this started. Rear camber, lower arm, what is this called? Honestly, this is so confusing. I was getting really confused even looking at the diagrams and stuff because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arms in this damn thing, and I don't know, this is just kind of confusing, and they all look the fucking same. The arms I have right now, they look the same. They're like the same length and everything, so it's like, ugh. So I was here, I couldn't use the gun because I didn't have enough space because it's sauce and shit and it's that angle. So I just cracked it with the breaker bar. It's loose. Let me get my back is killing me and shit. And like that whole clutch bracket assembly video on the side over here at the, just pressing up here, all twisted like a pretzel. Now I feel like I'm 70 years old and shit. I feel old as
You might have to like get one of those thingies because
on my side of the bolt right here is a 17, so you gotta hold it. It's not a 19.
There we go.
Well, this one I am not using because I went and bought a bolt because this one was the C side and this pain to take out, and that's why I couldn't get my alignment done. Wrong bolt, so a lot more expensive. It's a special bolt. You can see it has like it's like a whole circle. It's not centered, and it's like the lip right there. It's completely different. Honestly, I think make it easier for you guys. Get this one out. Probably yank it down, then be able to get this one out with ease. So they're banging and shit. And yeah, that'll be easier for you guys. One by one and get it all done at once. And yeah, hopefully it should go smooth. Alright guys, so we got this one in. Took a little time to get it, adjusted right. On to the next side. I'm gonna tighten that after I do the other side. Just get 2 adjustables and go the opposite direction. Do the other side, shit's pretty easy. So, alright, so I was going to do the other side arm, but just like this side, when I got my alignment done, the bolt was like not moving, it was like seized, but here, like, the bolt was moving, or like the nut, but this bolt is like fucking stuck in there, and I was banging the shit out of it, and I don't think it moved at all. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Maybe use Kendrick's tool. Do what we did last time, like heat the shit out of it, then fucking bang it out because it might crack it loose. In the meantime, I'm just starting the other side. This side was it started stripping on me. I guess it's a 15 mil, but stripped it down to a 14, but I got it crack loose. I don't understand why, but this one they gave me a bolt and a nut, But this one, they didn't give me a fucking bolt, anything. Like, I don't understand why they don't give you the hardware with it. They did with one, but not the other. It just doesn't make sense. Would be lovely. Now I have to go fucking buy some. Just because I don't want this rusted shit. And it's like, this bolt is semi-stripped now too, so yippity do. Alright guys, so Jake's here. He's gonna be welding up all my exhaust leaks. We got this side.
Nah, you good.
These two arms in. That side we need that bolt to get undone. Then I still need to do this arm on that side. It's going good. When you see a hacksaw, you know this is last resort. I'm just gonna try to cut it, then I have to go get new bolts tomorrow.
Got that bitch out.
Oh shit. King Pow, that shit fucking knock you out.
I know.
We're just gonna make sure everything is good. Then I can't really put the other arms in because I need 2 bolts. Gonna have to get them tomorrow. Hopefully Acura has them.
We still have a step left in this.
We still have. You got some little step. Oh yeah, millions in there. Yeah.
Where am I here? Like I went down and I lost my
Oh shit, this might be a bitch actually. Oh, that's not good.
This one out. Jake did all like the fucking cutting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this one in because we have the hardware for it because it comes with a bolt. But this one I can't put in because you don't have a fucking bolt. We had to chop it out and this shit's still stuck in there. And yeah, so this is fun. That's what took a long time. I would have been on this 2 hours ago. Like,
Yeah, no, they're usually like a 20-30 minute job.
just about. So let me just line this shit up.